everybody. So I got a cherry box for January. I have skipped the last couple of months of cherry boxes because I was on vacation and then I was really busy. But January's was beautiful and gorgeous, and I thought I could have so much fun with it. So I went ahead and got one. I'm going to unbox it today, and then you will see all the pretty projects coming to. There'll probably be a process video on my channel, and then there'll also be a blog post over at Cherry on Top blog. If you want to subscribe to these kits, these are my favorite kits. I will have all that information in the description box below. So let's get started and see what we get this month. So this month is all about the blues. So many blues, beautiful, wintry, stunning blues, and then a pop of this gorgeous red. First thing is liquid pearls. So this is the color Deep Water. I am not sure if this is what everybody is getting, or if there is, or if you'll get a different, everyone will get a different color. But you'll get a container of liquid pearls. There are these gorgeous flowers. So these are the Bon Voyage and French Blue flowers from Graphic 45. There are 15 pieces of them. Now these are Chunky Monkey flowers. They are beautiful, but they're also quite large. So they're pretty thick and chunky. They would be super cute on the cover of a mini album. They would be super cute to decorate maybe a photo frame or something kind of out of the box, which is really fun. So those are super fun. They're made of fabric paper, and they are quite substantial. So just know that you probably don't want to put these on a scrapbook page or send them out into the mail, but they would be beautiful on something like a home decor piece or something like that. Then we have the Bon Voyage and French Blue Trim Graphic 45 ribbon. This ribbon is so cute. It's May Arts ribbon. So you have these 3 different colors, the dark navy, kind of a mid-tone blue, and then this bright chevron blue. I do like a good trim ribbon on my layout, so this will be definitely cute, fun to play with. You get a stamp set, which you know I'm super excited about. This is from the Let's Get Cozy collection from Graphic 45. I love this stamp set, this little image here. I love this little image here, and this tiny one over here. I think it's super cute and pretty. We get a stencil this month. This stencil is from Catherine Puller. It's the Gradient Diamond stencil. So if you look at it, in the middle, the diamonds are kind of small and a little bit further apart. And then as you go out, they get bigger and closer together. This would make a gorgeous card. I think we're going to have to do some cards with these. Really cute. I really like this. I'm excited to play with this and see like how it looks when you use it and what kind of different mediums maybe we could put through them. The main collection in the kit is Graphic 45's Let's Get Cozy. I will tell you that I don't often use Graphic 45. If you've been around in the video in our on my channel for a while, if you've subscribed for a while, you know that Graphic 45 is not a company that I use a lot, but I do use it sometimes. And I actually got some of their Hello Pumpkin collection, and I thought that was beautiful. So there is chipboard and there is paper. The chipboard is the cardboard chipboard, just so you know. Not my favorite, I'll be honest, but I think that some of the designs are cute. Like I think this one would be really cute on the front of a card. I think this one would be really cute. No Place Like Home. I really like this one. We might do some heritage. We might do a heritage layout with this kit. I might just do some pretty cards and have fun with that. I may do, what else might I do? I think maybe we could do some, maybe if I find the right story for my ancestry project, maybe this is a very kind of vintagey type of a collection. So let's go through the paper. You get a 12 by 12 paper kit. So that will be 16 sheets and 2 sheets each. I actually really love the paper in this kit, and I'm really excited to play with it. I like the idea of this not being a typical kind of Sarah style kit and being able to kind of play and mix and match and do something a little bit out of the box for me. So the first one has this beautiful kind of sweater print on it, which I think is really pretty. I love the grays and the darks. And then the back side is a cut apart sheet. So you can cut out all these little images for cards or pocket pages or title pieces on a scrapbook layout. So they're the two papers. I do think that some of these papers some of them are quite busy, and I definitely have favorites. So this is the second paper. I love this. Again, sort of like a sweater type of design or feel, like a little bit of texture. And then the back side are these cute little horses. They kind of have that like Scandinavian type of a look to them. But I really like this one. I like this paper a lot. The next one is like a red and blue floral. Looks like old wallpaper or an old fabric, which is why I say maybe we'll try to get a heritage layout out of this kit. And then the back side of that floral piece are these little cut apart strips that you can use. I love these houses. I'm really drawn to these houses as well in this collection. This next one has these little bunny rabbits, and then again, that kind of quilt look or quilt pattern. And then the back is a really pretty pattern. I love this. I think it's gorgeous. So definitely, this is my favorite side. Push these off. The next one is this kind of, I don't know how to describe these. They don't have a name on them, I don't think. No, this one's called Baby It's Cold Outside. So the front side is the red, and then the back side has all these little animals, and this one's really busy. This one is okay. I think in little pieces it could be nice. The next one is there's Snow Place Like Home. I think this is beautiful. I love this. I love the blues in this collection, the lights and the darks and the really super pretty. And then the back side of these houses, and I really love the house paper too. I really like the houses in this collection. The next one is a tone-on-tone red patterned paper. This one's called Beautiful Blizzard. And then the back side is another floral, but this one's not tone-on-tone. It's more of red and the blue and a little bit busier. I like this one. And this is probably my favorite paper out of all of them. This one is the Let's Get Cozy paper. Look at this. Oh, isn't that stunning? Oh, I love this paper. Love, love, love it. And then the back side has the different animals, and it's a little bit of kind of busy. This looks like they took everything from the rest of the collection and just shoved it all on a paper. But this side is amazing and some of my favorites. So there are all of the collection, all of the papers that you get. I am actually I think this kit is going to challenge me, and not in a bad way. And I think that I am super excited to get to playing with it and see how I can make it work for heritage photos, how I can make it work for some cards. I don't think I'll be using these flowers. I have a couple ideas for how I can use them, but I don't think I have the time to get a project like that done before I need to get my cherry box projects posted and up to all of you. So we will probably add these to our stash and come back and play with them another day. But I really like them. I'm also thinking that these little, so I have these crystal stickles, right? And I'm like, I wonder how it would look if I put like some crystal stickles around the edge of the flowers and made them sparkly. And no, see, those are real big too, because I was thinking maybe the small ones I could put on a scrapbook page, but they look really big too. So let me just, I'm sorry, crinkly paper. I'm sorry. Yeah, these are really like thick too. Although, so back here in the flowers, look at this. So back here are some flatter pieces. So we have these pretty leaves, and this isn't too bad. Those 3 pieces I think I would be okay with on a scrapbook page. So we'll see. Maybe we'll go ahead and play with some of these flowers. I do think they're awful pretty though. Like, they're so pretty. Okay, if you are interested in getting a January cherry box like this one, you will find a link in the description box, and you have to get your subscription together and in before December 25th. So before the 25th, make sure you get your cherry box ordered. If you have never had a subscription to a cherry box before, it's super easy to skip a month. And the girls at A Cherry on Top, we always reveal the cherry box right around the 15th of the month. And if you don't like the unboxings and you're like, I won't use that kit, it is super easy to go in and hit skip a month. You won't be charged, and then you can come back and see what is going on for the next month. So you actually kind of get to pick and choose, which is really awesome for budgeting and, you know, deciding what products or what scrappy things you want in to come to you. So that's awesome. And there are also, in the cherry box, there's always things that are not super consumable, things you use over and over again. So this month we have a stencil and we have this stamp, and then there's always a little bit of mixed media or something fun in there. This month it is these liquid pearls. So I'm excited. I'm gonna go start cutting paper. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.